Changing your life and mindset requires deliberate effort, consistency, and an openness to growth. Here's a step-by-step guide of 10 tips, or you could say principles, which will just change your mindset and your life. First one, self-reflection and awareness. Identify your current state. Take note of your habits, mindset, and daily routine. Understand what's working and what isn't. Define your purpose. What do you want to achieve in life? Find your why to stay motivated. Set clear goals. Break down your big dreams into achievable, actionable steps. Use the SMART framework: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, time-bound. Change your mindset. Embrace a growth mindset. Believe you can improve through effort and learning. Practice gratitude. Write down 3 things you are grateful for daily. Challenge negativity thoughts. Replace limitless beliefs with empowering ones. Develop new habits. Start small, focus on one habit at a time. For example, reading for 10 minutes daily. Use the 21-90 rule. It takes 21 days to form a habit and 90 days to make it a lifestyle. Track your progress. Keep a journal or app to measurable improvements. Surround yourself with positivity. Connect with people who inspire and support you. Limit exposure to negativity, example toxic environment, excessive social media. Read books or listen to podcasts that align with your goals. Take care of your body and mind. Exercise regularly, boost energy and reduce stress. Eat healthy, fuels your body and brain. Practice mindfulness, meditate or take quiet moments to reflect. Embrace failure as growth. Treat failures as lessons, not setbacks. Celebrate small wins to stay motivated. Learn continuously. Develop new skills related to your passions and goals. Read, take courses, and seek mentorship. Create a vision board. Visualize your goals and keep them in sight to stay motivated. And our last tip, take action. Don't wait for the perfect time to start. Begin today. Stay consistent even when progress feels slow. Transformation is a journey, not an event. Commit to progress, not to perfection.